Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making pumpkin bread. This is a really nice fall recipe, and it makes 2 delicious loaves of pumpkin bread. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a large mixing bowl and add 3½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 3 cups of sugar. Now make a hole in the center, and then add 4 large eggs, 2/3 cup of water, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 2½ cups of canned pure pumpkin. Now stir this together well. Now spray 2 loaf pans with non-stick cooking spray. Evenly divide the batter between the 2 pans. Now just bake this in the oven for about 1 hour or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then remove them from the oven and let them stand for about 10 minutes. Then remove the bread from the pan and place them onto wire racks to cool completely. And here it is, delicious pumpkin bread. And you can change this recipe by adding some chopped nuts and raisins to the batter before baking. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. And here it is. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. Pumpkin bread. And here it is, pumpkin bread. Something's not right. Something's not right here. This is pumpkin bread. Delicious pumpkin bread. And this recipe can change. Oh, I still can't get this. And here it is, delicious banana bread. Not banana bread. Oh, oh my gosh.